Thomas Edison was not the first to take a stab at utilizing power to illuminate a room. In 1802, Humphry Davy created the main electric light known as the electric arc lamp. In any case, it didn't remain lit for long, and was awfully splendid for ordinary use. In 1874, Toronto clinical circuit testers Henry Woodward and Mathew Evans assembled their lights utilizing various sorts of carbon bars held between cathodes in glass chambers loaded up with nitrogen. They couldn't sell their development, and wound up offering their patent to Edison. Edison would proceed to consummate their work and change the light bulb. On December 31, 1879, Edison flipped a change-making electric flow race through wires at near speed of light, miles for every second in a vacuum. In spite of the fact that the bulbs Edison utilized 140 years back likely took a second or two to be completely lit, the most chronicled brightening since the disclosure of fire took a simple division of 1 moment to start.